Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at what's in this box. So I was really happy to get this back from Kelli. Her husband makes these frames, and I sent one of the prints back for them to set up into the frame. The frame is made out of salvaged juniper to match the Juniper Bonsai that is depicted in the print. And I just wanted to do this basically to have a chance to talk about, other than to have this hanging on my wall, to have a chance to talk about the sort of relationship between art and bonsai. And I really think that if you're a bonsai enthusiast and a bonsai collector and you get the chance to decorate your walls with images of trees and really nice artwork that corresponds to bonsai, that it can really enhance your enjoyment of your bonsai hobby as well. So check it out. We've got these for sale on bonsai.com, and if you want a framed one, it'll take a little bit of work, but these look really great.